Hi Arbet, Happy Father's Day! I'm so thankful na naging mabuti kang ama sa pamilya mo at naging kapatid sa mga kapatid mo na matulungin ka at sa akin, hindi mo ako pinabayaan. Love you all. Thank you. See you soon.
Hello everybody! Happy Father's Day to all, and especially to my son, Randy Villan.
May the Lord grant you, anak, the desires and prayers of your heart. Alam namin nahihirapan ka ngayon, pero ginagawa mo yung best mo. Ganun pa man, anak, mahal na mahal ka namin. We're so proud of you kung ano ka ngayon.
Happy Father's Day.
To my son Alan, I know you children are so blessed having you as their dad. You nurture your family with care and your spiritual strength in your faith in God. Praying that God will always grant you wisdom to lead your family.
Happy Father's Day to you, Toto.
Responsableng ama, matulungin, mapagbigay, at higit sa lahat, makadiyos. Happy Father's Day.
Father's Day, Erwin. God bless you and your family.
Anak, kumusta kayo dyan lahat? Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day, Paolo and Don, mga anak. You are an amazing father, and I'm proud to be your mama. May the Lord bless you, keep you, and make His face shine upon you. Happy Father's Day. I love you both.
Happy Father's Day, Titing. Isang kang napakabait na anak. Ingat kayo dyan, ha? Malayo kayo sa akin. Bye-bye. Love you. Love you very much. Miss na miss ko na kayo.
Hello, Papa.
Thank you for all your hard work and love to us, Papa.
Happy Father's Day.
We love you and we miss you.
We miss you.
Ay anak, Happy Father's Day. Ingat ka dyan palagi.
Happy Father's Day, Oka.
Happy Father's Day, Oka.
I love you.
I love you too.
Hello mga anak! Nelson, Alex, G.R. Abrio, Happy Father's Day! Mahal ko kayo!
Father's Day, halong kamuda. God bless you.
Happy Father's Day. We are so proud of you. Padayon sa imong pagkabuutan. We miss you and we love you.
Happy Father's Day, Ta. We love you.
Good day, my son, Rijan Urang. Happy Father's Day. Take good care of yourself and love your family. And always love God. Don't forget your parents here in Philippines.
Happy Father's Day to my only son, Rijan Ulang.
Happy Father's Day, Vivek. അതുപോലെ അച്ഛനെ സ്നേഹിക്കുന്ന എല്ലാ മക്കൾക്കും പിതൃദിന ആശംസ.
La Norman, Stakelay. Happy Father's Day. Manaaral natin ugugaw. Si Karin kumusta kilo ang tanay. Maunya kaagon at sikintan. Pabela. Ingat kayo palagi.
Happy Father's Day, Chesta, sa mabait kong anak. Patuloy lang sa paglilingkod sa Panginoon. Alam ko may magandang plano ang Diyos sa buhay nyo. Basta maging sentro lamang siya ng inyong pagsasama. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. Kay Cara, kay Gray. Love you so much.
Happy Father's Day po sa lahat. Lalong-lalo na binabati ko po yung aking anak na si Lester. Happy Father's Day, anak. Nawa ang Panginoon ang siyang sandigan ng iyong pamilya. Tandaan mo, malaman kita.
Happy Father's Day, Kim! Happy Father's Day to you! Happy Father's Day to you!
After Happy Father's Day.
Oh, ito ang daddy mo, babati sa'yo. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Happy Father's Day po, Papa Jan. Sobrang thankful po ako kasi nakapag-aral po ako dahil sa inyo. Balang araw po, pag nakapagtapos na po ako, babawi din po ako sa inyo ni Mama Baby. Yun lang po. Happy Father's Day po ulit, Papa. Love you.
We are so grateful to have a loving son, kind and generous. Happy Father's Day, Pogi.
Happy Father's Day. Keep safe and God bless.
Hi, Daddy. Happy Father's Day. Ingat palagi kayo dyan. Love you.
Hi, Nak. Happy Father's Day. I thank the Lord sa buhay mo at patuloy na nagpapasalamat dahil na-achieve mo sa iyong buhay. Katan mo ang sarili mo, anak, and we love you so much, and patuloy ka na maging strong and achiever. I love you.
Father's Day. Uncle, happy Father's Day. God bless. And also to Kyle.
Happy Father's Day, Jimmy, anak. Proud ako sa iyo sapagkat ikaw yung aking anak na napakalaki ng sakripisyo sa amin. During this time na pinapalaki ko yung mga kapatid, isa ka talaga sa saksi sa hirap na ating pinagdaanan. Pero salamat sa Diyos kasi tumayo tayo sa kanyang mga pangako, sa kanyang mga salita. Na tayo nadampal tayo sa kanya kahit kailan hindi mapapahiya. Palagi kang mag-iingat, palagi kang mananalangin at patuloy kay pagpalain ng ating manlilika. Muli, Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day. Ingat.
God
I
bless
love
po.
you.